My name is Vivek Bajpai. I am now starting class 9th CBSE board lesson real numbers exercise 1G, which is exponent. So laws of exponent first, that if x a x b is equal to x plus x a plus b. Next formula, xa upon xb is equal to xa minus b. Next formula, x to the power m whole n, it is x to the power mn. Next formula, x to the power m into y to the power m, it is xy power m. Xy power m means x to the power m, y to the power m. 6xy, x upon y to the power m, it is x to the power m, y to the power m. Next, seventh formula, x to the power minus m means 1 upon x to the power m. 8th formula, x to the power 0 is equal to 1. These are the basic formula, and each and every student learn that formulas. Please like, subscribe and share, and also see my videos, please, and comments also. When the comments start, you will give the comments and suggestions to encourage my work. Thank you. Now we start the example number 1. If 3 to the power 1 upon 4 into 3 to the power 3 to the power 3 upon 4 into 3 to the power 1 upon 4, it is, we will add both the numbers. Then we take the LCM 4, 3 plus 1, it is 3 to the power 4 upon 4, it is 3 to the power 1. Next question, 5 to the power 1 by 6 upon 5 to the power 5 to the power 1 by 3 upon 5 to the power 1 by 6, it is 5 to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Taking the LCM, 6, we get 2 minus 1 upon 6, it is 2 minus 1, it is 1 upon 6. Third part of the sum, 3 to the power 2 by 3 into 7 to the power 2 by 3 means both they have the exponent similar, so that the numbers are being multiplied and we get 2 by 3 is a common power of those two numbers. Then it is 21 to the power 2 by 3. Simplify, example number 2, simplify 36, 1 by 2 means root 36, it is root 6 into 6 means 6, root is half power, so 6 to the power 2 into 1 by 2, it is 6 to the power 1 means 6. Next part of the sum, 64, 1 by 3, 64 means 2 to the power 6 into 1 by 3. If we do this, first we divide 6 by 3, we get 2, 2 1 ja 2, it is 2 to the power 2, which is means 4. Third sum, 32 the 1 upon 5, 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 5, 5 are divided and we get 2 to the power 1, which is 2. Next example, simplify first, 16 3 by 2 is equal to 2 to the power 4 into 3 by 2. 2 is cancelled by 4, we get 2 into 3 means 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 6 means 64. Next to it, 27 to the power 2 by 3, it is 3 to the power 3 into 2 by 3, it means 3 and 3 are cancelled and 3 to the power 2 is equal to 9. Third one, 125 to the power minus 1 by 3, it is 1 by 125 to the power 1 by 3 because it is minus power, so that we write like this. Then 1 upon 5 to the power 3 into 1 by 3, it is 1 upon 5 to the power 1, it is 1 by 5. Other formula which are necessary for doing some typical sums, that n root of a is equal to b. First we know that n root of a is equal to a to the power 1 upon n. But if n root of a is equal to b, means a is equal to b to the power n. Please listen this formula, learn this formula. It is not easy. Tricky formula, tricky formula. Next formula, a to the power m upon n. So first we divide both the numbers by this fashion, a to the power m whole 1 upon n. 1 upon n means n root a to the power m. Now if we write like this, it would be this. Now we do the examples. 4 to the power 3 by 2 means 4 to the power 3 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means square root 4 to the power 3. Square root 4 to the power 3. 4 to the power 3 expanded, we get 64. 64 means root 8 into 8. Root 8 into 8 means 8. Example number 1, evaluate 30 to the power 1 by 5 minus 7 to the power 0 plus 64 to the power 1 by 2. Solution: 30 to the power 1 by 5 minus 7 to the power 0 plus 64 to the power 1 by 2. 32 means 2 to the power 5 and this power is 1 by 2 plus any number have the power 0, it is always 1. 64 square root means like this. Here 2 to the power 5, both numbers are cancelled and if we get divided, then we get 2 to the power 1, which is 1, and root 64 means 8. 2 to the power 1 means 2 plus 1 plus 8, it is 11. Next to it, 0.00032 to the power minus 2 by 5. It is the fifth power of 0.2 minus 2 by 5. When we take the powers out, we find 5 into minus 2 by 5. We get minus 2 to the power minus 2. 1 upon, it is the negative power, so that we take in this fashion and open that number. So it is 0.2 square means 0.04. Upside it is 1, so that we remove the decimal. For the two places, we put down here 2 zeros. 4 is cancelled by, divided by 100, it is 25. 64 upon 125 minus 2 by 3. 125 upon 64, 2 by 3. 125 means 5 by 5 ki power 3. 5 ki power 3 multiplied 2 by 3. 4 to the power 3 into 2 by 3. Both 3 are divided. Then ultimately we get 5 to the power 2 upon 4 to the power 2, which means 25 upon 16. Example next, evaluate cube root 343 minus 2. It means cube root 343 7, cube of 7 minus 2. 7 to the power 3 minus 2 into 1 by 2. It is minus 6 and 1 by 3. 3 is divided by 6, it is 2, minus 2, 7 to the power minus 2. It means 1 upon 7 square. It means 1 upon 49. 5 to the power, fifth root of 32 minus 3 power. Fifth root 32 is 2 to the power 5 minus 3. 2 to the power 5 into minus 3, it is 15. Then is fifth power, we write like this, 1 upon 5. Then minus 15 divided by 5, we get 3. 2 to the power minus 3 means 1 upon 2 to the power 3, which means 1 upon 8. Assuming that x, y, z are the positive real numbers, simplify each of the following number. Square root x cube y to the power minus 2. Y to the minus 2, so we put it in the denominator place. X cube upon y square, whole square root is 1 by 2. Then x to the power 3 by 2 upon y to the power 2 into 1 by 2. X to the power 3 by 2, it is y is single power. Next part of this question, x to the power minus 2 by 3, y to the power minus 1 by 2, and whole it is 2. Then we multiply minus 2 by 3 into 2, y to the power minus 1 by 2 into 2, we get x to the power minus 4 by 3 and y to the power minus 1. Both the numbers are negative, so that we put it in the denominator place, x to the power 4 by 3 and y. Next, x to the power minus 4, y to the power minus 10, it is 5 by 4. X to the power minus 4 into 5 by 4. Y to the minus 10, it is 2 into 5 upon 4. We cut both the numbers by 2, we get x to the power minus 5, and here it is 5 into 5, it is 25 by 2. Both the numbers are the negative shade, so that we take the reciprocal of these two numbers, y to the power 25 by 2 and x to the power 5. Please see next question carefully, because this sum is long enough. Is fourth root of 81 x to the power 8, y to the power 4, z to the power 16 is divided by cube root of 27 x to the power 3, y to the power 6, and z to the power 9. 4 power 81 is 3 to the power 4, x to the power 8, y to the power 4, z to the power 16, and we take this in the denominator place. Then 27 is 3 to the power 3, x cube, y 6, z 9. 3 to the power 4, x to the power 8, y to the power 4, z to the power 16. All of the numbers are being multiplied by 1 by 4. We take like this. Then 4 2s are 8, y to the power 1, 4 4s are 16, 3 to the power 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 6 into 1 by 3, z to 1, 9 into 1 by 3. Number are being divided, and ultimately we get 3 x to the power 2, y to the power 1, z to the power 4, and in the downward we use x square y z to the power 4, x y square z is cube. Here also 3 is divided, and ultimately we get x square y z to the power 4 whole upon x y square z cube. Then again we divide x to the power 2 minus 1, y z to the power 4 minus 3, and y to the power 2 minus 1. Then we get x z y. Next question, fifth root of x to the power 4 and inside fourth root of x cube, inside cube root of x square, inside square root of x. First we start from here. We take root x, x to the power 1 by 2. Both the numbers are being added. We get 5 by 2. Then after we clear this, 5 by 2 is cube root, it is x 5 by 6. Then we added x cube plus 5 by 6. It is 23 by 6 of fourth root. Now we take fourth root 1 by 4, then it is 23 by 24. Then x4 and 23 by 4, both the numbers are added, we get x to the power 4 plus 23 by 24, it is 119 by 24, and it is 5. So x to the power 119 upon 24 into 1 by 5, it is 119 by 120. Next sum, root x power minus 2 by 3 product of y to the power 4 and then divided root x y minus 1 by 2 product x minus 2 y cube. First we clear this number, it is a square root, so we write 1 by 2 into minus 2 by 3 y to the power 4 into 1 by 2 because it is a square root. Here we take x y minus 1 by 2 and square root. In the place of square root we take half. Same to that, x to the power minus 2 y to the power 3 is 1 by 2. What is 2 and 2 are cancelled, we get minus 1 by 3, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. X to the power 1 by 2 y to the power minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, x to the power minus 2 into 1 by 2 y to the power 3 into 1 by 2, x to the power minus 1 by 3 into y square, x to the power 1 by 2 y to the power minus 1 by 4 into x to the power minus 1 y to the power 3 by 2. X to the power, here we count all the powers of x. Minus 1 by 3, it is minus 1 by 2 because it from the denominator comes to the numerator, so it is minus 1 by 2. And minus 1, now it is also in the denominator, it comes to the numerator, so it is minus 1 to plus 1. Now in y, it is minus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2, and then numerator comes to the denominator, it is minus 2. Taking the LCM of the numbers, powers, 3 to 6, then it is minus 2 minus 3 plus 6. Downward, for the y, we take 4 LCM, minus 1 plus 6 minus 8. It is x to the power 1 by 6, it is y to the power minus 3 by 4. Because it is the negative power, so that it comes into the numerator. To have x to the power 1 by 6 and y to the power 3 by 4. Next example, prove that 2 to the power 30, 2 to the power 29, 2 to the power 28, 2 to the power 31, 2 to the power 30 minus 2 to the power 29 is equal to 7 by 10. Because if we take the least power of this, is 2 to the power 28, so that we divide 30 into 2 parts. 2 to the power 28 into 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 29 is 2 to the power 28 into 2 plus 2 to the power 28. In the downward, we also take the 2 to the power 28, the least power. It is 2 to the power 3, it is 2 to the power 28 into 2 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 28 into 2. When we take 2 to the power 28 common, upside and downside both the time, we see that 2 to the power 2 plus 1, here it is 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 1. Both the 2 to the power 28 is cancelled. What we get? 4 plus 2 plus 1, it is 8 plus 4 minus 2. 7 upon 10. Next question, example number 10. If we take 5 to the power x minus 2 into 3 to the power 2x minus 3 is equal to 135. 5 to the power x minus 2, 3 to the power 2x minus 3, we divide 135 into 27 into 5. Then it is 3 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 1. First we take the 5 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 5 to the power 1. Then x minus 2 is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 plus 1, x is equal to 3. 3 to the power 2x minus 3 is equal to 3 to the power 3, it is 2x minus 3, it is 3, 3 plus 3, 2x is equal to 6, then x is equal to 6 upon 2, it is 3, so x is equal to 3. Example number 7, prove that a to minus 1 upon a to the power minus 1, b to the power minus 1 plus a to the power minus 1 upon a to the power minus 1 minus b to the power minus 1. A to the power minus 1, inverse of it, 1 upon a, it is 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus a to the power minus 1 means 1 upon a minus 1 upon b, 1 upon a. Taking the LCM of the numbers a, b, then it is b plus a. Here also we take the LCM, ab, it is b minus a. take the reciprocal 1 upon a into ab upon b plus a cancelled. Here also 1 upon a plus into a b upon b minus, it is a n cancelled, b upon b plus 1, b plus a, b upon b minus a. When we take b minus a and b plus a LCM, we take b minus a plus b plus a. It is b square minus ab plus b square plus ab. Both ab are cancelled. We get 2b square upon b square minus a. Second part of this sum, 1 upon 1 plus x to the power a minus b plus 1 upon 1 plus x to the power b minus a, 1 upon 1 plus x की power a dot x to the power minus b, 1 upon 1 plus x to the power b dot x to the power minus a, 1 upon 1 plus xa upon xb plus 1 upon 1 plus xb upon xa. 1 upon, when we take the LCM, the xb is LCM, then xb plus xa upon xb, 1 upon x to the power a plus x to the power b upon xa. When taking the reciprocal, we find xb upon xa plus xb, or here also xa upon xa plus xb. Taking the LCM, common LCM of x to the power a plus x to the power b, where we get xa plus xb upon x. Both the number are divided, we get ultimately 1. Example, simplify x to the power l upon x to the power m, and outside the power 1 upon lm. X to the power m upon x to the power m whole power 1 upon mn product. X to the power n upon x to the power l whole power 1 upon nl. We taking x to the power l upon a by the formula x l minus m 1 upon lm, x to the power m minus n whole power 1 upon mn, x to the power n minus l, it is whole power 1 upon ln. When we write this, x to the power l minus m upon lm, x to the power m minus m upon mn, x to the power n minus l upon nl. Taking the LCM, add both the numbers. We're taking this, and we take the LCM L, M, N. We get N, L minus M, L, M minus N, M, N minus L. We multiply the numbers, NL minus Mn plus Lm minus N plus Mn upon Ml, whole upon Lmn. What we get? All the number are cancelled, so we get x to the power 0, which is means 1. Next part of this sum, x to the power p upon x to the power q, p plus q, x to the power q upon x to the power r, whole q plus r, x to the power r upon x to the power p, r plus p. It is x to the power p minus q, x to the power p plus q, x to the power q minus r, or it is q plus r, x to the power r minus p, r plus p. Then the a minus b, a plus b fashion, we get p square minus q square plus q square minus r square plus q r square minus p square. It is x to the power 0, which is equal to 1.
हो गए
5 minutes. Next example, 11 number, write the following in the descending order. Cube root 2, square root 3, 6th root 5. Taking LCM of the number 3, 2 and 6, 6. Cube root of 2 means 2 to the power 1 by 3. Square root of 3 is 3 to the power 1 by 2. 6th root of root 5, it is 5 to the power 1 by 6. We are making them equal. Cube root of 2 means 2 into 1 by 3 into 2 by 2. Making the powers equal. We are doing multiply here 2 and 2. We get 2 to the power 2 upon 6. It means 2 to the power 2 into 1 by 6. 2 to the power 2 means 4, 1 by 6. Square root of 3, it is 3 into 1 by 2, and here we multiply 3 and 3. Upside numerator and denominator, both the sides. 3 to the power 3 by 6. Now it is 3 to the power 3, 1 by 6. It is 27 to the power 1 by 6. It is 6 to the 6th root of 5 means 5 to the power 1 by 6. Now we arrange the numbers 27 to the power 1 by 6, 5 to the power 1 by 6, 4 to the power 1 by 6 in the descending order, and these are the real numbers. If a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, find the value. It is a question of the book. First, a to the power b, b to the power a minus 1. It is 2 to the power 3, it is 3 to the power 2. 2 to the power 3 means 8, and 3 to the power 2 is 9 whole minus 1. 8 and 9, it is 17 to the power minus 1, it is 1 by 17. Next question number 7 and part number 2nd. 14641 whole power 0.25. We take it as 1 by 4. By that 0.25 upon 1, it is 100, so it is 1 by 4. In this fashion we have done this. It is 11 to the power 4 into 1 by 4, 4 into 1 by 4, 4 cancelled, then 11 to the power 1, it is 11. Next part and the last what I have solved today. It is 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. 243 is 3 to the power 5. Whole power minus 3 by 5. 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5 cancelled. It is 2 to the power 5. Minus 3 to the power 5. Then 5 and 5 are cancelled. 2 to the power minus 3. 2 to the power minus 3 is 1 by 2 to the power 3. It is 1 by 8. Thank you. And now the first lesson is clear.